What is up, guys? Caden CJHQ here, and today we are starting a new series. It's an IRL one, and it's basically, is DoorDash a good enough side hustle? So today I will be saving up money from everything. I'm going to account for how much every order I get, how much I make from every order, how many orders I get, how long I do it. And basically on Sunday I will compile everything, make it a week long, and like a part 1 video. This will be very long, but if DoorDash is something you've been looking into and don't know, I'm basically, the end of this series goal is to buy a fucking car. So let's hop straight to it. Alright guys, it is currently 6 p.m. I'm starting my dash. I'll probably go for 5 hours. My goal is to at least make 100 today. I'm currently starting it. It does look like it is busy in my area, which is really good. Yeah, no, I'm gonna keep you up to date every time I get an order, all that fun shit. And basically, the goal is to get a car, so basically in $2,000, but I will have to account for bills every time I have to get gas, and then like food and shit, like other necessities. That's all going to go in here. This video will probably be an hour plus, so tune in. But yeah, this will basically show off every time I need to get gas, how much I put in. And we got our first order for Baco Bell for $4.50, so let's get it. Alright guys, I did just finish up picking up the first order. Took about like 5 minutes, which isn't too bad, but time is money, you know? So I'll probably see you guys when I get the next order. Alright guys, I did just get another order. It's for like a food truck. And what's unique about being a platinum member is, or I guess any member, is basically, since I am, this one does say $6+, which means it can update. So after I drop this up, I will update you with the final amount, but as of right now, I'm standing at $10.50, and we have only been dashing, I want to say, for like 20 minutes, which is pretty good, which if we keep that up, that would be $31.50 an hour. But I will see you guys after I drop off this order and I see the final amount. Alright, so the thing lagged. To me, it was still only $6, but that still brings us up to $10.50. I've only driven, I want to say, 5.5 miles, which is still good. By the end of the night, if I am actually dashing until like 11 o'clock, I will have to put gas in, but I would probably only have to put in like 20 bucks. But hopefully I'll get another order soon, going to Hotspot. So basically, the thing about DoorDash is I have been DoorDashing for quite a while. I just realized I should probably just put you guys on my lap so you guys can't see street names. You dirty little devils. Don't get to know where I live, motherfucker. But basically, as I was saying, the thing with DoorDash, I've been DoorDashing for a while. I'm a platinum member, which basically means within a month I've done over 100 orders. And it has been my main source of income for a while. That, and then doing some odd jobs or just random shit for money. But basically, I'm like, you know what'll be goated? Making a series about it and showing people or giving people an example of like, is it worth it? Should I start doing it? Because it honestly depends, because for everyone else it's different. Depends on how frequently you do it, what status you are. I'm platinum status, which is the highest level you can be. And then like your area, if your area is a busy city or in the midst of buttfuck nowhere. But I personally employ it just because you do get to create your own schedule. Legit, in between orders, I either listen to music from the radio or I go on Instagram. So it's all completely up to you, but I will see you guys once I get the next order. Alright, third order of the day. And guess what? It's for another $6. It does have a plus, so it could be more. which if it is, that'll be goated, but if not, we're up to $16.50. And I'll see you guys after I drop it off, or maybe next order. Alright guys, so I did update, so I ended up getting $7, so the new total right there. And I did just get another for $9. So I am going to go pick that up. See, sometimes it can be like really busy and sometimes it can be dead as fuck. But I will see you guys after I get another order or come back for the final, like the total of what I'm at. Alright, so I ended up just dropping off the order. We don't have a new one, but it went from a $9 order to a $12 one. So we are currently, essentially see what we're currently up to. It's kind of hard, guys. Not go on your phone while driving. I am at a standstill. But we are currently up to $29.50, which is pretty goated. I have not even been dashing for an hour, and we've already made $29.50. But I'll see you guys when I get the next order. Okay, guys, got another order for $5.09. I know, big spender. We're going to pick up some Subway, but I'll see you guys in the next order. Tired, been doing it for 2 hours now. No, an hour. 2 hours, I don't know, around there. Alright, gamers, we just got a $12 order, and all we got to do is pick up McDonald's. I think it's only 6 miles, which isn't too bad. It's like $1 per mile, like going to their place and back. So I'll see you when I get another order. I should have what we're at on screen right now, but I don't know. But yeah. Hey guys, oh my god, you can't even fucking see me. That is wild. But I'm currently picking up 2 orders. I already picked up one of them. It was Taco Bell, and now I'm going to pick up like a ghost kitchen type shit. But basically, this order will be $26. Alright guys, it's the end of day 1. I ended up making $89, $90. I kind of forget. I'll put a screenshot right here of like the dasher summary. But day 1, pretty good. Not dashing that long just because it's already nighttime. Tomorrow, hopefully, I'll be starting earlier and going for like the full day, because that's the plan. Tomorrow, the goal is to make $200, so in total, be like at $300. But I'll see you guys in the day 2.